How about other BIM formats or data for that matter?
For example, another which is very interesting, I believe, there is something called an RFA file. I think I have it here. I just quickly drag and open it here the same way just as I did before. So I just release it here, and then the software starts opening this file, and in the meantime it's saving this current project, because there's one specific way how these RFA files are digested in ARCHLine. The software goes into what we call a sketch mode or an edit mode, and then it kind of stashes the previous project. It makes a copy of that. Okay, let's just put it back around, and then now we are working on the content of an RFA file, which is in this case is a revolving door. And then I have the option to edit it, save it as an opening, for example, clear it up, because this, for example, this specific RFA file contains two different representation of this same door with two different layouts. So I just decide whichever I would like to keep. I think I will go with the one that is the three
leaves, maybe.
Yeah, so I just clear up the rest. I don't need this here. I just clear it up. I don't need the other one here. I believe it's...
so there might be scenarios when you have to work with several representations of the very same same elements. So that way you can fine-tune what you want to see, and eventually you save it into an ARCHLine compatible model.
Yeah, so I just did what I did here. I can even change the materials or something like that, and then I can say, okay, let's just turn it into a door or into a window. There are specific commands for that to create something like that with a new door. And then I can go with the close sketch mode, and the software
and
goes back to the project, and then I can place this door into that project if it holds a revolving door like this.